In this video, I'll show you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open your company. Next, go to Reports in the left sidebar. Now search for Balance Sheet and select the Balance Sheet report from the results. After that, choose the report date you want to review. QuickBooks will show your company's assets, liabilities, and equity for that date. Next, review each section and click the account names if you want to see more details behind a balance. You can also click Customize to change the accounting method, filters, or other report settings. After that, select Run Report to refresh the information with your chosen settings. Now, review the total assets and compare them with your total liabilities and equity to make sure the report is complete. Finally, you can print the report or export it to Excel or PDF if you need to save or share it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.